let's do this. Hey guys, it's Olivia here, The World of Olivia by Our Life Would Live. Well, yeah, whichever you would like to call it. And I'm here with my MJ t-shirt since I went to go and see a MJ musical last night. That was absolutely brilliant. I'll do a separate video on that. But the video at the moment is my squishy collection. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna grab them. So then it'll also be a surprise for me what squishies they are. Also, sorry guys, I have a bit of a cold, so my voice sounds terrible. But yeah, let's just get into it. So first of all, we have this mermaid squishy. That's pretty decent. That's really good. This bit must have fallen off, but see how slow rising it is. Oh, that's so good. So moving on to the next one, we have, and let's put this here so then you can see me like reaching in to get all the squishies. This one isn't really squishy, but it's like a stress ball. I think it can bounce. Let's see. It's actually pretty cool. It can bounce. So a bouncing stress ball with a little face. I should make this an emoji. I don't actually think that it's an emoji, but moving on to the next squishy, we have, wait guys, just before I carry on with the squishies, do you think I should do 2 parts of this or just a full video? Well, this time I think I'm just going to do it as a full video, but maybe next time when I do a collection or something, you guys can put comments on my shorts and things, because this will probably be made for kids. So yeah, moving on, we have this little Christmas gingerbread man. Look at his little Santa hat, so cute. The little glasses. Alright, let's just... It's a little bit cracked at the back, but yeah, so cute. There's lots and lots and lots of squishies in here. So this might be a little bit of a long video, so yeah. Here is, it's like a rainbowish strawberry. Oh, look at that rise. So it's got the green stalk, the blue bit at the top. No idea why it's blue. I think it's usually white on real strawberries, but pretty cool. Then we have the yellow bit and the pink bit at the bottom. This is what I call a cool squishy. Well, all of these are really, really cool, but then we have, oh my gosh, I just knocked my phone. Yes, alright. Then we have this coffee squishy. I need to be really careful squishing this one though, because this top bit is already fallen off and it's really, really close to falling off now, so I need to be quite gentle. I wasn't really being gentle then, but yeah, it says coffee on there, so it's definitely a coffee. Oh, so nice. Then moving on to the next squishy, we have, oh yes, I love this one, it's so soft. The stalk got broken off from my little stepbrother, but It's okay. All is forgiven. So we have this little, not little, big strawberry squishy. Just have a look at these two side by side. Well, they are kind of different then. Yeah, I didn't really notice the size difference. This one's slightly smaller and it's different colours. And when you squish this one, all the little lines come. This one doesn't really have any lines. I'm not sure you know what I'm talking about, but yeah, this is a really cool, soft, squishy. Oh, it also smells quite good, even with my blocked nose from my cold. But yeah, I wish you guys could smell that. This is your chance to go and get yourself one of these squishies. You will not regret it. Then we have not looking. Oh, then I think this came like a little pack a few years ago, maybe a couple of years ago or a year ago. Yeah, sometime I done a video of getting this little pack of squishies. Yeah, it came with a few other squishies and things. And yeah, but this was actually quite a long time ago when I done this video, but it also has a little keychain. I think that's a keychain. So you can like put it on your bag and things, or this is what I like to do with them. I'm quite bad at that. But oh my gosh, one come off my finger. There we go. So cute. I feel like this will be perfect to bring into school and just whenever the teacher comes over, you'll speak. I definitely do not have a squishy. But yeah, that's like the emoji face. You know which one I'm talking about since you can see it, but yeah, I'm not sure what it's called. Then digging in for the next squishy. Oh wow, we have my panda squishy. It looks it's a little bit destroyed, but it's okay. It's still a really good squishy. It's not rising. Oh wow. This was a very slow rising squishy. Oh yeah, this also came in the pack with this little one. So yeah, now we have this one. I always used to put these two as like a little family. Oh, I done that video that I explained a little bit before this video, a little bit before showing this squishy. Sorry guys. And I was saying like how long ago it was and things. I think you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I done it with my cousin Charlie, and you should definitely go and subscribe. I think it's the Everything World. I mean, but yeah, then yeah, this is a really good squishy as well. Oh my gosh, we've already nearly had 10 minutes. This video should start moving on a little bit. I'm not looking, guys. Oh, I like this one. This one is a little, I'm not sure, guys. Can you comment down below? This is a little quiz thing today. I do not know. Is this a little ice cream cone or a cupcake? I feel like it's a bit too big. Like, this bit's a bit too big to be a cupcake, but then I just kind of think that it's a cupcake. I don't really know why, but yeah, that's a little bow there. That should go in. I just love this squishy as well. So much detailing things. Oh yeah, and it also has little... Oh no, I thought they were little red spots, they're just little holes. Focus. Yeah. Then, moving on again, we have... the ice cream pen. So, it's a pen as well as a squishy. That's kind of perfect. So, the little strawberry or cherry on the top. Yeah, like when it gets down here, I can't squeeze it because there's the pen there. But yeah, here is literally just the ice cream, no pen. Then down here it starts to get into the pen. But yeah, this is a really good squishy as well. Oh no, I just dropped everything. Wait, it says there's a picture of him on this box. They look so alike. It's I thought it was called Rock or Rocky, but yeah, I'm not sure. A really, really nice squishy. If you, I'm not sure, guys, which sort of squishies do you prefer? Soft squishies or hard squishies? Or extremely hard squishies, so stress balls. I think I prefer the softer squishies, but it's all subjective, I'm not sure. Then, moving on to the other stress ball. This one's an angry one. I think it's an angry one because when you squeeze it, you do get angry. Because it's so hard to squish, but oh my gosh. Yeah. Then we have the cake slice. This cake slice is really thick. It's so good. Oh, look at that detail. It's so cool. You can also feel how bumpy these top bits are. Oh my gosh, it makes me want to eat it. But, yep, here's the cake slice. Then, moving on, we have... I've got two squishies here. We have the little pizza man. His feet are gone. I'm not sure, they must have got ripped off or something. But, yeah, here's his little face. Oh. Yeah, I love this little pizza man. Then, this is actually one of my favourite squishies. The cookies. Oh my gosh. I just love these. I'm not really sure why, but I just love them. I'm going to do a community post some point after this video. And I'm going to be asking, do you want me to do rating my squishies? No, sorry, don't rate my squishies. I could do that as well, but do my top 3 favourite squishies. That might be coming in the future. You never know. But yeah, there's 2 squishies there. 2 cookies there. And then I did, oh yeah, no, it was a pizza, it's alright. Still got a lot of squishies left. Let's get out the ice cream. Oh my gosh, the ice cream stuff. I can't get it out. We have the ice cream. Oh, I'm not sure where it's gone now, but I also had a colourful ice cream. Pretty much exactly like this, but except it was colourful. But yeah, this ice cream is actually really good value for money. I'm not sure, I can't remember how much it was, but I know that it was pretty cheap. Nice, so slow rising. Oh my gosh. Then moving on, we have Rocky's best friend. The little bag of, says chips, but I'm British, so crisps. The little bag of crisps. Oh my gosh. It's so tiny. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is slow rising or fast rising, but I think it's slow. Maybe medium rising. Then moving on to the next squishy, we have the famous cat burger. I love this cat burger. So I think that's tomato sauce, lettuce, beef, cheese, a massive big bit of cheese, then beef bun, and then the little cat top bun. I love this squishy. Oh, I didn't even mean to do that. I think that's actually pretty good though. Then moving on to the next squishy. This is the thank you little animal in a pot. I think it's a rat. I didn't even notice that. I think this is a ramen pot. That is so cute. We haven't got many squishies left. So yeah, this has been actually a really long video. I got 3 squishies out this time. We got the little chicken leg. Oh my gosh, with a little bone. The bones. Oh, the bones are nearly coming off. I need to be really careful of that. And then the little bow. That's so sweet. And then we have this little lollipop. This is so good. And then I made this myself a few years ago. It's terrible, I know. This unicorn. Oh my gosh, look at it. It looks like something you've seen in your nightmares, but yeah, I still got it. And then the last few squishies, I'll just take them all out. There we go. We have this little unicorn with a little ice cream cone on his head. Oh no. Unicorns already have a horn, so it's not a little ice cream cone. I think it is meant to be a little ice cream cone, but yeah. Then we have another thing that I made myself. This little donut. Then, oh yeah, here's the top of the strawberry squishy. Oh my. My Pikachu. It's so bad, but I was only little when I made this, so. Then we have this, another unicorn. Really big unicorn this time. Then we have 2 small squishies. A little pot of ramen. She's so cute. And is this a little sushi? I think it's a little sushi. I've never had sushi before. Yeah, so that's all of the squishies. If I ever get any more squishies, I'll do an updated squishy collection. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me show you all these squishies. So yeah, there's a lot of squishies there. This is probably one of my longest videos. 20 minutes. It's okay though. So yeah, bye guys.